Alright, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Before you guys leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you did enjoy this video today. And also if you have any recommendations or any, suggestions on type of videos you guys would like to see, let me know in the comment section down below and I will be sure to get that out for you guys. So today, as you guys see, I'm wearing my trusty glasses. Um, Not because they make me look smart, I think, but because I actually need them to see. I'm blind as a bat. No, really, I'm blind as a bat. So, wearing these today, and also I got my nails done, you guys. I got them done a couple days ago, like 4 or 5 days ago. So, they're not really new, but yeah, that happened. Now, for the purpose of this video, so pretty much what I'm doing today is I'll be showing you guys how I uninstall and install these passion twists, because when I first installed them it was kind of a learning curve, which is still maybe in this video, still may be a learning curve, but I'm going to be showing you guys, now that I had some practice, I've done my whole head already, I'm going to uninstall them and then put them back in my head and show you guys how I do that. Hopefully it'll be helpful to somebody. I know there's a lot of videos out there about installing passion twists. There's already tutorials out there, but yeah, I mean, I've done them. Maybe I've done something that somebody else hasn't done and it'll maybe help somebody else. I don't know. I'm just trying to be helpful, that's all. So without further ado, because this intro is already long enough, I have talked way too much. We're going to go ahead and get right into this video. Alright, you guys, so before we get started, I'm going to go ahead and show you how my hair is looking right now. I've had these in for about a month now. I want to say about a month now I've had these in. So what we're going to do right now is I'm going to show you guys what my hair is looking like. Hopefully I'm in frame. This is pretty much what it's looking like right now. As you guys can see, it desperately needs to be redone. Gonna show you guys the back. As you guys can see, I've got some new growth action going on and all that jazz. Hopefully I'm in frame, you guys. I really hope I am in frame. I did redo my perimeter about a week ago. A week or two ago, I redid my perimeter because it was looking hella jacked and it was making the hairstyle look hecka old and not cute. So I redid the perimeter, so I redid the front and the back rows. But now I'm gonna redo my whole head. I don't know how many times I'm gonna tell you guys that, but yeah, that's what we're doing today. So, all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. I've already taken one out, but I'm gonna show you guys how I pretty much take out the rest of my head. It's pretty simple. So all I do is start from the ends because I do want to reuse this hair. I did reuse it when I redid my perimeter. So all I'm gonna do is pull the end apart like that, and then after that it just comes apart. It's pretty easy, and then you can twist it if you want and it comes apart. And because, well, I did do this as a crochet style, you can just pull it out. So that's pretty much all it is, and then that's the piece of hair. Pretty simple, easy installation, easy to take out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my hair. And also I did put a rubber band, so I rubber banded the root to make it easier for the crochet needle to go through and for the hair to stay connected to my hair. So I did do that. And yes, we're gonna go ahead and do the rest of my hair the same exact way, and I'll come back and talk to you guys when I finish doing my whole head. And also, while I'm doing this, you guys let me know if you like my new background setup. I've been trying to do different things. I've been working on, making my videos look a little better, even though my last video wasn't that great of quality. But I've been trying to work on getting my videos to look better for you guys so that potentially I can get my views up, because right now, not really doing so well. But you guys, that's why I need you guys to, let me know what you guys would like to see, if anything, just to help, help my channel out, because I really do love doing this, even though I did take a big break from doing it. It's because life kind of hit me, and I was just really just like, YouTube, I put that on the back burner. But I actually do enjoy doing this. So yeah, I want to interact with you guys. So stuff like this, how I was just like over it. I was just like over it. So it's kind of a knot here. This one, I may have to cut it. I really don't want to, because I want to be able to reuse this hair. I'm gonna try to pull it apart. I'm not pulling my hair at all. There's no tension going on with my hair at all. Yeah. The good thing about Passion Twist, I know I'm talking, I'm supposed to be taking these out, but the good thing I want to say about Passion Twist is that you can do them like they don't have to be so neat. They can be sloppy. They don't have to look, perfect, and the style will still look put together, still look really nice. So that's one thing that I do love about this Passion Twist style. I don't know what's going on up here. Okay. All right, so I'm just gonna show you guys one more time how I take the Passion Twist out of my hair, just in case, you guys need a little rerun. So pretty much what I do is I pull the ends apart like that. Okay? So I pull the ends apart like that. Now we have the ends are separated. And then what I do is just twist the opposite way of the way that the Passion Twist were put in. Twist it all the way up to the root. Just like that. And now it's like that, 2 separate pieces. And then I just go ahead and pull it out. And then here we go. So this one here, because I rushed to go ahead and pull it out, we have this little situation going on here where it's stuck. So this one I'm gonna actually have to cut out, because I was being reckless, and yeah, so we're gonna have to cut this one out. Alright, you guys, so I'm coming on here with the voiceover. Don't mind my voice. I am not feeling that well, so I'm just going to show you guys how I begin installing my Passion Twist. So a couple things: you're going to need a rubber band, you're going to need a crochet needle, you're going to need a rat tail comb for the parting, you're going to need some type of holding gel or something to keep your hair together, and also you're going to need some type of leave-in conditioner for moisture. And then if you like to use oils, you can use that as well. So just to start this hairstyle off, I'm going to go and part off my first part in the back. In the back, I think I put 4 different sections here, but yeah, I'm parting this off. Then after that, I'm going to pin my hair up, tie my hair up, and then I'm going to go ahead and neaten up the parting space so much. Now with this style, or really with any style, because I really don't care, your partings don't have to be that neat. They can be sloppy, especially with this hairstyle, because this is a sloppy style. Well, not sloppy, but it's not meant to be super neat. So you can kind of get away with it a little more with this style, but I like the parts to look, you know, some type of decent. So that's what I'm doing here. And then after I finish with my whole head, which just took me absolutely forever, I'm going to go and use this shine. I'm just showing you guys what I'm going to be doing to part off each section. So pretty much I take the Shine and Jam gel and I part off my first square. This is going to be the first little twist I'm going to put in my hair. And then I put the Shine and Gem gel, I put that around the perimeter of the part, and then I use the rubber band just to band the hair so it doesn't come loose and so that it stays in place. And I'm going to do that same exact thing over my whole hair. And then after I finish all that, I'm going to go in with the Passion Twist portion. And I do apologize if the angles aren't that well and sometimes you can't see something. I really tried to. It's kind of hard for me to see and then for me to show you guys, but yeah, hopefully you guys can see enough so that you guys aren't like completely, you know, what is she doing? So yeah, I do apologize for that. Alright, you guys, so after this long journey, as you guys can see, if you can't tell, it's nighttime now. This is literally a full day process for me because I don't know. I don't know why I just can't sit through one setting and just do my hair. I gotta take forever to do it, but yeah. So I have 3 sections left to do, and I'm going to show you guys how I install these Passion Twists. So I'm going to clip these 2 sections away, and then I'm going to work on this section right here. So first thing I'm going to do is apply my leave-in conditioner. So I applied a small amount to that section. I'm just rubbing it in, making sure the whole section is fully coated with the leave-in conditioner. And then here I'm just applying the Shine and Jam gel to the whole section. And I'm applying just a small amount of that as well. And so now what I'm doing is I'm taking the crochet needle and I'm making sure that it's fully open so I can slide it under my hair. If I can never get it there we go. So I just went on ahead and slid it through the rubber band, and then I'm going to take the hair, take a piece. I've been alternating between 1 piece and 2 pieces depending on how thick the section is. So for this piece, I believe I only use 1 piece. And then I take the piece and I wrap it around my fingers. I'm going to show you that again. So I take it, then the first thing I do is wrap it around my thumb, then I wrap it around my index finger, and then I grab it with my, middle finger. And then I go ahead and attach that to the crochet needle, close that loop, the latch, and then I pull it straight through. And the next step is just to pull one end of the Passion Twist, 1 piece of the hair through. And then with my hair, I'm going to divide that into 2 pieces, and then I'm going to start twisting the hair up. then when I have that full section twisted up, I like to twirl the ends around my fingers. I hold the top portion where my hair is, and then I let go of the bottom, and then I go ahead and slowly release the top. This just helps to prevent my hair from poking out as much, because for some reason, I don't know why, but my hair likes to poke out from the sides, and that's really not cute. So that just helps to prevent that from happening. So I'm going to show you guys again how I go ahead and install the twists. Alright, you guys, so we have reached the end of this video. I'm just going to show you really quick what the final results are. So this is the length of the hair. I did afterwards go in and trim that up a little bit, so that turned out, you know, a little more even. As right now it's looking kind of crazy, but that's what the length looks like. And then here's what the back of my hair looks like. Like I said, the parting space is not to be perfect. It is not perfect, far from perfect, but I guess it looks decent, so I'm not mad at it. Alright, and then I'm just sitting here, you know, acting a fool. So again, guys, if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like it if you did enjoy it. And yeah, guys, I'll see y'all in my next upload. Bye, y'all.